Some time ago, not that long ago, Sam, you have a special move that you wanted to teach Kyle. What was that special move?
It's called a gainer, Judge.
Let's have a look at a gainer, shall we? Now, the reason that's difficult is, well, you explain it to me. Can we look at it again?
Yes.
Why is that difficult?
The reason it's difficult is because the difference between that and a normal backflip is that you're moving forward at pace and you've got to push off one foot and go up and do the backflip. So there's a lot more into it than just standing and throwing your arms and tucking.
Understood. In other words, the momentum is going in the opposite direction from where your body is going.
Exactly.
I understand that. I eventually, if I'd known, I would have shown them the video of me doing my back somersault. I was going to do it on Strictly, but sadly, I wasn't brave enough. Now, the point is that you have to be experienced to do this, correct?
Correct.
And let's just look at that video, keep it going. You did that in a gym club where you've got all of the facilities around. You went to this gym club, correct?
Yes.
And on this particular occasion, as I understand it, Sam was teaching you how to do this move. Tell me what he taught you.
So Sam is quite obviously confident in this move. It's not much to him, but I'd seen him do it, and I said, that looks really impressive. And he says,
thank you, sir. How experienced a gymnast were you at that time?
So I wouldn't say I am a gymnast. I go along. I would do it for physical fitness, and it's fun.
It certainly is. But could you, for example, do a round-off somersault, back somersault?
So I could do the backflip, which in my eyes is a building block towards that. So in my theory is, if I can do that, it can't be that dissimilar.
Understood. Now, Sam, just to be clear, when you were showing Kyle this, do you have, or before you were showing Kyle this, do you have any qualifications as a teaching gymnastic professional?
No.
I have to ask you, didn't pay Sam for any instruction?
No.
Now, did you manage to teach him it?
Yes, yes.
In that context?
Yes.
A few weeks later, you were on the beach, hanging out. What happened, Kyle?
So, Sam and another more experienced gymnast that he trains with had arranged to go to a beach in Stowe.
As I understand it, let me ask Sam, were you doing gymnastics with your friends and showing off?
Well, a little bit.
A lot of it?
Yes.
Kyle, what happened next?
The other person we were with is talking about this move, the gainer. And he was debating whether to try it off the dune. He did it with success.
He did it with success?
Yeah, he'd done it. He's a very experienced gymnast.
Of course.
And then I say, is that thinking I've done that in the gym? So I begin contemplating the move in my head.
Understood. Did you discuss doing the move with Sam?
Of course. So my next logical thing to do is, Sam's the experienced gymnast. I go to Sam and said, do you think I could do it?
Very important. What was your response, Sam?
Yes.
You felt that he could. Now, you asked him whether you thought that you were qualified to do it, and in your opinion, you said he was, correct?
Correct.
Did you tell him to go and do it, or did you just simply give him your opinion?
I gave him my opinion with vigour, let's say. I
Implied.
Yeah. I implied that he should try it, but with confidence.
Understood. Well, that may be the case, but you'd only done it in a gym before. He's not qualified and you hadn't paid him. What did you go and do, sir? Did you try it?
So I did try the move, yes.
Now, this is where it gets very serious indeed.
After about 10 minutes of contemplating the move and talking to Sam, I eventually tried it, and then obviously it happened fast and slow at the same time. But I just rotated back, and then I just didn't go any further, and then fell from quite a height onto my back.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.